When we call a function, we pass values to it. They are called arguments, and they are of two kinds. We have this round function that has two parameters, number and n digits. It will round the number to its n digits. If n digits is null, it will return the nearest integer to that number. We can use with this function the two kinds of arguments, keyword argument and positional argument. But to call the function with a keyword argument, we have two ways to do that. The first is simply to precede the argument by its identifier. Here we have the first identifier, number. Let's say we will give it this value. And the second argument is the n digits argument, so we will use the identifier n digits. Now we can call the function and print the results. So here is the return value. The other way to call a function with a keyword argument is to pass the argument as value in a dictionary but preceded with double asterisks. So here we will keep the values, but we will change the way we will call or identify these values. So number and n digits here will be now considered as keys to this dictionary that we are passing to our function, but the dictionary is preceded by the double asterisk operator. So now when we run the code, we will have the same value. Positional arguments, they can be passed to the function at the beginning of the list of arguments. They are not keyword arguments. So here are the values. We will not use the names or the identifiers of the parameters, and we can call our function this way. The other way to use positional argument is to pass them as element of an iterable to the function but preceded by an asterisk. Here we are using the tuple as the iterable. We have the same results when we run our code. We can also use a list here, and we will also have the same results. If you want to learn more about function arguments, let me know in the comments below. Bye.